deeper into the internet, there are many things that which are very sensitive to some people.
Who said that? Internet is a way that we can educate. We can know everything by the help of internet.
Educating about what, like fake news?
No, who said that? We can know the real news.
These days, everywhere it is fake news, and we are getting knowledge from that things, which is like not useful for us.
No, internet showing today that the whole world is what? It shows that what is the whole world? What they are doing?
The whole world is not in a proper way nowadays. And if we are using internet, there are many hackers that are ruining our accounts.
No, who said that? We can internet also providing us to how to save our data.
That data is secretly going to other people.
No, it didn't go. Internet also
it is going because the software is developed like that in a way that people's private things can be reached everywhere.
Why the people know that the internet is not that way to use? They didn't have to apply the private things in the internet.
Not applying in the internet. You can anyone can hack into your account and they can steal your photos and everything.
But no, how they can steal? We don't have to apply our photos in that way. We have to apply the proper way. So don't one have.
Fine. Okay. If you are going to apply our photos, I was talking about not applying your photos, right? Now I'm going to talk about applying our photos. If you are going to apply your photos, there are many perverted people who are going to take our photos and they are going to do very bad things with it. And because of that, our image will be ruined.
No, who said that? We have to actually internet is used. We have to use in a proper way. We can use in the studies manner. In the pandemic situation, we can consult with the teachers, with the doctors, by the help of internet. But we don't have to use it that way.
The way you will understand in an offline class, you're not going to understand the same way in an online class. That is a disadvantage of internet.
In the pandemic situation, for example, coronavirus is spreading. So we can't attend the schools. The students are not getting the education for them. So it's wastage of time wasted. So the internet is very helpful thing that we can study.
That's what I'm saying. Some people are not understanding any.
They are not understanding. They totally understand. They understand that somewhat. If they didn't understand, they have different sources in internet itself. They can understand by observing it.
Okay, there are different sources in internet. But what about the ones that are including like rumors and misinformation?
No.
Due to misinformation, these days the illiteracy rate is increasing even more due to like misinformation from the internet, you know.
No, we didn't doing that. Internet is
yes, it is doing that.
No, they didn't doing that.
And even if you are going to be proper, no one is going to be proper like us. They are going to make many bad things about us.
Internet is showing us. It depends on the human, not on internet. It's in two types. It's useful. It depends on the people's mind. It didn't depend on the internet. You are talking about the people's mind, not about the internet. I'm speaking about the internet. It's useful.
I'm also speaking about the internet.
But you're speaking the personal things and what about
fine, if you are writing a document, suppose you're writing a document. Suddenly the internet breaks down and a virus gets into your computer and you are going to lose all that entire document. What are you going to do about that?
We have the pen drive to save our data. We can save it.
You're not going to save it. That's what I'm saying.
No, we have the capability to save the data.
I'm telling you an example. Listen to me
I'm also
first.
telling the example that we have that much capability to save the data in the pen drive. If that computer is stopped doing work, we can apply in another computer. Okay.
Suppose you are still writing it and you did not even save it yet. Suddenly the virus breaks down and it gets into your computer. It's going to.
We can again make it. Internet is a way.
You are going to waste all your time making it again.
No, it's not at all wasting our time. We can do in just few minutes also. It's how
then
that much of information. No, I can do it because every people can do it by the help of internet. That's
now you're talking about people's mind.
I'm saying that internet is save the time, not the waste of time. Internet is saving our time very easily. If we write
it is not saving our time. It is saving our time, but it is also wasting our time.
No.
Because children are going to watch internet all day, all night, all long. They're going to watch it daily. They're going to watch everywhere. Because of that, due to that, lack of focus is increasing.
No, in the pandemic situation, okay, we have schools. We can after going to schools, it's get the entertainment. The internet gives us entertainment, so we can refresh our mind too.
Okay, you're going to get entertainment, but you're going to get entertainment from actual things like books and projectors.
Sometimes in our house, the books is not available, so we have.
How can book be not available?
Sometimes
internet may not be available in everyone's house, but books will be available in everyone's house.
I'm talking about the present generation. It's
it is depending on internet, and they're also going to ruin their lives on the internet also.
Yes.
Create a video of your talents and share it via WhatsApp on 9700491819. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.